Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved today as well as how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. If we look at this chart, we can see that the price of gold is moving continuously upside. I'll show you. This is the chart we can see here. But after moving in this particular range, after making a high, month's high, it came down. Okay, and after coming down, now it was moving in this particular range, and after breaking this range, now it was moving in this particular range. So overall we can see this is an uptrend, and this is the range where we can see that it is moving in this particular range. So if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, and if you would like to join my Telegram channel, I have given a link in the description. If you have any doubt, you can mail me. Okay, if you check my previous video where I have categorically suggest that if this range is break upside, we can see a good upside movement with this particular range, that this will be a big support. And see, now this is the support, and after touching, sorry, this is the resistance, and after touching this resistance it came down a little, and now again moving. If this resistance again break upside, then we can see again a good upside movement. Okay, and I have already told you that a pattern is forming here. If you look at this pattern, a pattern was forming here. You can check my previous video that if it breaks downside, then we can see a level of 1875 also. But what it did was that it has, with a strong support at around 1883, at this support it has bounced back from here. Okay, if you check my video, you will know it, that after making a low of around 1881 at this support, it has bounced back from there. Okay, so what I have always told my premium members or everyone who watches this video, that what you have to do is, suppose there is you have sold at around 1880, suppose. Okay, you are selling at this price, and now the price has come down to 1875. That means you are in a profit of $5. Okay, and your quantity, suppose it is 100 quantity, so you are in a profit of $500. So now once this at 785 goes again to 786 or 777, that means this $5 profit has come down to $3 profit, then you should exit the trade for the day, because risk management is very important. And $300 you are in profit, then you should exit the trade for the day, because you have already, your 100% profit has come down to 70% profit. Okay, so this is I would suggest that risk management is very important when you trade. Okay, or if you want to invest, then I am telling you, since it is low at 1670, that whatever it comes down, you can invest for a longer view, because I see that the price of gold can go much higher. But these are all my personal view. Please consult a financial advisor before investing. See, look at this. Now we can see this is a strong resistance at this point, which is already tested here. Okay, the support. So there is chances that if it breaks this level, there is possible, if it touches this level 1897, then it can bounce back from here, or it can move much higher from here. Okay, so there is high chances that if it crosses a level of 1892, which has already crossed, now the next resistance we can see is at around 1898. So 1896. So once it touch 1896, there is a probability that it can bounce back from there, or it can move upside from here to a level of 1900. Once 1900 is touched, then we can see a level of 1904, and once 1904 is touched, then we can see that it can break this level and can touch a level of 1908. Once 1908 is touched, then we can see a level of 1911, and once 1911 is touched, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 1913, and once 1913 is touched, then there is a probability it can touch a level of 1915. And once 1915 is touched, what it can do is it can bounce back from there, because we can see this is a strong resistance here, and it's a high of month's high, 1-2 months high. okay, even 3 months high. So there is a probability that if this touch this level, then it can bounce back from there, or if it cross this level, then it can make a new high. So what you have to do is you can book your half your profit at this level, okay, or if it crosses this level, please hold the profit, your position, and once it comes back again at this level, this will be your support, or you can book at profit if it goes down from here at this level. So I would suggest that this is treat this as a strong resistance 1896. Okay, so once if it comes close to this level, there is chances it can break this level, because we have it can break this level, because this level is already tested here. Okay, so if it bounce back from means suppose if it reaches 1896, if it comes down again to 1895, then there is a probability you can will not be entering in the buying position. Once if it crosses this level, then we'll be entering in the buying position, and with a target of 1901. Okay, once 1901 is achieved, we'll wait for 1903, and if it stays above this level, then we'll be looking for a target of 1906, and once 1906 is touched, then we can be looking for 1911, and once 1911 is touched, then we'll be looking for a target of 1914, and once 1914 is touched, then we'll be looking for a target of 1916, when there is a probability that it can go much higher from there. Okay, so we can see a new pattern forming here. Okay, so once this, or suppose if the price of gold moves below 1887, okay, then there is a probability it can touch a level of 1884, and once 1884 is touched, then we can see that this level is already tested here twice. Okay, this 1881. So if it comes back again to 1881, there is a high probability that it can break this level and come down to a level of 1875. Okay, once 1875 is touched, then we can see a level of 1869 also, and from there we can see a level of 1866 also, and once 1866, if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 1859 to a level of 1855, which is a strong support. So it can bounce back from there, or it can go down at this level. So these 2 days we will be looking at this level. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. Okay, or